Hey y'all. So I had to 100% take out my camera and show you what just happened because I have no self-control. My boyfriend tells me this all the time, but I try to show a little restraint when it comes to money. Y'all, this is New York City. I found a Lowe's. So, you already know what happened. Let me just show you right now. So I went for a drive today and I was like, maybe I should stop by the garden center and get some soil so I can finally put my arbs in a pot. And then I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can go to Home Depot and get a pot for my arbs because I don't really like the planters that I have. And then it basically snowballed from there and I ended up at Lowe's. You guys, look what I did. Can I even get a good shot of all of this? So basically what happened was I found myself at Lowe's and I found these really cute super petunias. And then it kind of snowballed from there because once you're at Lowe's with super petunias, why would you not go to Home Depot next door and pick up everything else? So let me just show you what I got here. Look how gorgeous these are. This is Daisy May daisies. Let me just hover on the tag for a hot second. So if you're interested in these, they are hardy down to zone 5 and I am in zone 7B. So that's wonderful and they will be blooming until late summer. So I'm going to hurry up and get these in a spot so I can enjoy everything that they're about. These are the culprits that started it all. This is the Super Petunia Royal Magenta. And let me find a nice bloom for you. Look at these. Oh, sweet Jesus. That is my favorite color in the world. My favorite color is pink. So, of course, I got 2 of those. Found this right here. This is the Super Petunia Vista Bubblegum. And I'll show you one of the blooms here if I can find a nice one. Oh, that's cute. Let's go with you. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty color. And last but not least, I have the Super Petunia Indigo Charm, which I have seen Garden Answers use once, and I was like, that's really pretty. So when I saw it today, I was like, well, it's meant to be. Then these were not open yet. There was one open that's kind of fading, but let me get out of the light there. Yes. It is the, let me see if I can hover over that, Rainbow Rhythm Orange Smoothie. These are daylilies, so I'm going to hover over the tag for you there. And these are hardy down to zone 3, so I'm in here for life. And it's a rebloomer. And then last but not least, I got another Proven Winners Buried Treasure Red because I already have one and I love it, so why not? It was a lot and it shouldn't have been because I literally just went for this, a pot. And look, and I came back with so much more because I even have some plants down there which are not Proven Winners, but I figured I'm on a hydrangea kick, so why not? So I'm going to go ahead and find some spots for these and then go ahead and get them planted because it's going to be boiling hot here the next couple of days. So I really don't want them to stay in their nursery pots. So here we go. So I decided I'm going to make like a little smorgasbord container with the last few plants here, the hydrangea and the supertunias, because I think that'll look really, really pretty. And if not, then I can just pop them in the ground. So it's not a big deal. And this is where I put it for now because I'm a little nervous about it being in full sun because of the hydrangea, but we'll see. Where I really wanted it was on my porch, just up here. But we'll have to see how it does in the full sun. So I'm gonna wait and see what my hydrangea does in the full sun. Right now it's gonna get like pretty strong morning sun into the early afternoon, and if it can handle that pretty well, then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my porch where I actually really want it. But you'll have to wait until my July garden tour to find out where it stays and to see the rest, because that's all for today. Bye.